In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically save changes to a Microsoft Word document. This feature is very helpful because it ensures that your work is continuously saved, reducing the risk of losing important data. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one. To use automatic saving, you need to make sure your file is stored in the cloud, such as OneDrive. So, go to the File tab, then click on Save As. Choose OneDrive as your location and save your document there. If you're not signed in yet, Word will prompt you to log in with your Microsoft account. Once your document is saved to OneDrive, look at the top left corner of the Word window. You will see the Autosave toggle switch. Now, simply turn the autosave switch on. Once enabled, Word will automatically save your changes as you type in real time. You don't need to press Ctrl+S anymore, although you still can if you want to. Every time you make a change, whether it's typing text, formatting, or inserting images, Word will instantly save your progress. If you don't see the autosave option, make sure your document is saved in OneDrive or SharePoint and that you're signed in properly. Using autosave is a great way to protect your work, especially during long editing sessions or when working on important documents. And that's it. You now know how to automatically save changes to a Microsoft Word document. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.